Hi friends, this is a quick video to show you how to light the gas logs. First, come over here on the side where the main disconnect is and turn this valve so that it's in line with the pipe to turn the gas supply on to the logs. Come over here. There are two main controls on the gas logs. There is a control on the right hand side right here that is it has three positions: off, pilot, and high. And then over on the other side is the igniter button that lights the gas. So what you're going to want to do here is first turn the knob from the off to the pilot position. So first you're going to have to light the pilot light. And in order to turn this knob at all, you're going to have to push it in first before you try to turn it. In other words, you can't just come up to the knob and start turning it. It won't turn. So you have to push it in, turn it a little bit counterclockwise to the pilot position. If you look carefully, you can see that it indicates which position it's in. There's a legend on the case of the gas logs. Anyway, I'm going to turn it into the pilot light. You'll note that the button will come out slightly once it's in that position. What I'm going to do in order to light the pilot light is I'm going to push this button in and hold it. And if you listen very carefully, you can hear gas coming out of the pilot tube. I won't show it to you because I don't want to move the camera. Then over here, what you're going to do is click the igniter. Okay, and the pilot light has lit. The pilot light will only stay lit if I hold this button in, at least for a few seconds, and then it has this little thermal valve in there that will keep the gas flowing to the pilot light once it reaches a certain temperature. So I have to hold this in, and I'll see if I can show you the pilot light. The pilot light is now burning right there. I have to hold this button in until it'll stay lit by itself. If you don't hold the button in long enough, when you release it, the pilot light will go out and you'll have to start over again. Once the pilot is lit, then you can push this in and rotate it counterclockwise to the next position and turn it on. Once the gas logs are on, you can use this control to turn them up or down. To turn them off, you'll push the knob in, rotate it clockwise, keep going and going and going until everything goes out. So the key is understanding that to turn this thing to the pilot light position and the on position, you're gonna have to very carefully push this knob in while you are rotating it, or it will not rotate. None of this takes a lot of force. If you have to use force, you're doing something wrong. You don't have it pushed in the right amount. So I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any problems.